Today I will show you how to make this very beautiful and classy yet easy Cowrie earrings with jhumkas. Hi, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So for making this beautiful earring, we will require Cowries, a earring top and a jhumka, few beads and jump ring, metal wires for jewelry making and metal wire cutter. So we will take the wire and pass it through the loop of the jhumka and tie a knot. Tie 2 knots and cut out the extra portion of the wire after measuring equal lengths of both the ends of the wire. Okay. After that, we will take one end of the wire, pass it through the hole of the Cowrie. We will take the other end of the wire and pass it through another Cowrie in this manner, and then we will tie a tight knot. Okay. After that, we will pass both the ends of the wire through the bead as I'm showing you. Take the bead, take both the ends of the wire and pass it through the hole of the bead in this manner, like this. Again we will repeat it. We will take one end of the wire and pass it through the hole of the Cowrie. We will take other end of the wire and pass it through another Cowrie, and then we will tie a tight knot. And now, as earlier, we will be passing both the ends of the wire through the hole of the bead. In this manner. We will repeat again in the same way 2 more times. Pass both the ends of the wire through the hole of the bead. At the end, we will pass one end of the wire through the hole of the Cowrie. Pass the other end of the wire through another Cowrie. And now we will take a jump ring. We will open it and pass it through the loop of the earring top and close the jump ring with a plier, and then we will pass one end of the wire through the jump ring in this manner, and then we will tie 3 to 4 knots until you are sure that it's tightly tied, and we will cut out the extra portion of the wire with the wire cutter. And our beautiful earring is now finally ready. Isn't this easy? This beautiful piece of jewelry is super classy. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow, and you will agree that it is simple yet very beautiful. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button. Comment in the comment section for any queries. I will solve all your queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.